What up, Smart Rabbit Gang? In this video, I'm going to show you how I got 825,000 views on my new music video, Screw Up True Story. It's been 1 month, one month and 3 days since I released it, and it's got 825,000 views. And then if you look up here at my other song, Made By Now, this just hit 400,000. I thought it was only at 350,000, but it's at 400,000. So that's just always something beautiful to see. So this is at 400,000. You can see this released 2 days after. So this has only been a month.
Oh God.
So this has been out a month. All right. So this is freaking beautiful. But I want to show you and tell you how I got the views on this effortlessly with absolutely no effort. And it may seem like that's absolutely insane. How is that even possible that you got that many views on something with no effort? And of course, a lot of it is my fan base. About 250,000 of these views right now in 1 month is from my audience. Okay. And then with this, it was over 100,000. So it's about 25% of this. The rest of it though, all came from one thing that I set up and then I forgot about it. I just let it go. And that thing was YouTube ads. I ran the song as YouTube ad, and you can go in here, if we go into these comments, who saw this as an ad? I'm so glad I watched this. It's really helped me. Shows that I'm not alone. I've been through suicidal thoughts. Now, of course, like, it depends on your song, but right, anybody else watch the entire video when this song was an ad? So the thing is with this is people are actually watching this as an ad, and they're sitting there and they're watching. You ever watch an ad, the entire ad? They're watching the entire thing as an ad because it's so intriguing, and it's working extremely well. Right? You just have to know how to make the right content to do that. But anyways, it's working. And that's just YouTube ads. I've done no other marketing. This song is already 100,000 on Spotify. Made By Now is at over 60, 70,000 on Spotify. I've done nothing to market these songs at all. I've been too busy with the building the Rapid Shortcut and upgrading it. I've done nothing but YouTube ads. That is it.
Yes, sir.
And what's beautiful about YouTube ads is, well, you can actually see I got them open right here. If you look at top left, I got the Google ads open right here. So I've really honed in and learned exactly what works. And I'm able to actually get, believe it or not, two views, real views. You can see these are real people. 17,000 likes, 1,450 comments. Okay, 825,000 views in 1 month. I was able to do this by setting up the ads and getting 2 views for a penny. 2 views for a penny. Okay, so 2 views for 1 penny times 100 is 200. It means I'm getting 200 views for $1. And there's tricks in order to do that. Your content, your song has to be right, the video has to be right, and those are things that I obviously know how to do. But the thing is that I can show you how to do that, because I spent a long time. I never built this. I never promoted this. I never showed anybody else how to really go in and do this. But now I have really obviously mastered how to do it, and everybody's coming from an ad. You know what I'm saying? So what's happening is I want to show you guys how to do that, and I'm able to do that now. I had just built a YouTube masterclass to show you how you can get 2 views for a penny. Real people. You can't get that anywhere else, and you're able to target this. I'm putting this in front of hip hop fans, and it's not hard. You can legit set up ads in less than 15 minutes on a $5 a day ad spend, say $10 a day. You can get upwards of 2,000 views a day for $10.
Come on now, dog. Come on, man.
You can't get that anywhere else. I don't know how much they cost, but if you bought fake views, you probably couldn't even get 2,000 for $10. Think about that. These are real people, 2,000 real people to the video every single day. And you know what? I really would like to bring up that. Actually, don't have that. The data on that ad. Either way, it doesn't matter. I have it somewhere. It just shows how many views I'm getting a day. It's like 15,000 a day, 20,000 a day, 30,000 a day. Just boop, 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 for very low ad spend, for not that much money at all. And so you were to say just put $5 in a day on your new song. You can do that. Everybody can afford $5 a day, right? It's $150 a month. You could be gaining 1,000 views a day on your song. At the end of the month, your song has 30,000 views. You put $10 in, it could go. You see what I'm saying? But you also have to know how to set it up. You have to know how to target. And these are all the things that I show you how to do in my YouTube ads masterclass. And I mean, the proof's in the pudding. And then I can go into the data and I can show you the data. You have to know what CTA to use, the call to action. You have to know who to target. You have to know the times to schedule it properly. And I have all that. I do it with my music. And look how fast I'm growing. If at any point I decide to just drop $1,000 in, $2,000 in, it'll just bloop, 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 bloop. Right? It's crazy. So if you want to get your hands on that, you want to check it out. By the way, let you know, it is not cheap, but I'm just now launching it. So what I'm gonna do is, in order to get testimonials and reviews for it, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give it away for a really crazy good deal. Okay, but you gotta think about it. Like, this is how you can really know you're getting your music in front of people. You're paying a Spotify company. That's usually a fake company. I'm yet to really even find ones that I really trust. Facebook ads, Instagram ads, those get pretty expensive. Here, you're getting the views, and the social proof alone is worth it. And if you're wondering what my clicks are, I got my clicks down to 7 cents.
Damn,
I may not understand what that means, but So let me explain just a little bit so you understand this, right? When somebody watches a video of yours, okay, if you run it as an ad and they watch more than 30 seconds of the video, you get a view. If they don't watch 30 seconds of it, you don't get charged, but they still saw your name, they still saw your face, right? So that's fine. So every time I spend any amount of money, even when I don't spend money, people see my face right in the beginning of the video. They're like, that's me. And guess what happens? There's my name. All brand awareness. Just boom. You know what I'm saying? It's so genius. And you'll do the same thing when you build yours, because I show you exactly how to build the content properly to do that inside of my masterclass. But what happens is, if they watch more than 30 seconds, you get a real view, and then they have the opportunity to click to your video. So that's what you want, is you want to know how to get them to watch for 30 seconds. You want to know who to target to make that happen. And then you want to know how to get them to click to your video, because that's where they come in and they like your video, right? And that's where they come in and they comment. That's where they come in and they actually become a fan. They subscribe. Like, my subscribers have skyrocketed in the last month. Skyrocketed. Let me show you how to do this. The link's going to be below this video. All right. I want you to go check this out. It's a very, very, very limited time discount for anybody who's willing to do a testimonial for me. I have to check it out, because I know it's going to blow your freaking mind. You'll run the $5 ad for 2 days. You'll get more views than you've probably been getting on your music in general. Okay. If your music's good, this will work exceptionally well. And I give you the tips on what to do to make it work even better. All right. I'm Rob Lowe from Smart Rapper. Click that link below. Check it out, or go to smartrapper.com/YouTube-ads, and I will. Well, hopefully I'll see you on the other side. Check it out. All right. And keep hustling, gang. I'll see you at the top.
I'ma go, I'ma go, I'ma go, I'ma go.